Coming to question number 5. Prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. So in the fifth question, we may have so many sub questions. Nearly, I think so, 10 questions are there. So one by one, we will see. First one. What is the first one? Coming to the solution. First one is given. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square equals to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. We need to prove. Coming to the LHS. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. So cosecant theta can be written 1 by sin theta. Cot theta can be written cos theta by sin theta. So that implies sin theta in a LCM we will get sin theta itself 1 minus cos theta whole square. So 1 minus cos theta whole square can be written 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So in the denominator sin theta. So sin theta can be written 1 minus cos square theta. So sin square theta can be written 1 minus cos square theta, and 1 minus cos square theta can be written 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta gets cancelled. Now we will get 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. That implies RHS. So LHS equals to RHS, hence proved. So next, coming to the second one. Cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. That implies 2 secant A. So coming to the LHS. 1 plus sin A into cos A. Cos A into cos A, cos square A plus 1 plus sin A whole square. So cos square A plus 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A means 1 plus sin A whole square, A plus B whole square. So A square plus B square plus 2AB. So cos square A plus 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Again cos square A and sin square A will become 1. 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 sin A as it will come by 1 plus sin A into cos A. That implies 2 had taken out from the brackets. So 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. So 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. So both gets cancelled. 2 cos A we will get. 2 cos A means 2 secant A, RHS. Hence we proved. Coming to third one. Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. So LHS, coming to LHS, tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. So how can we write sin theta by cos theta by 1 minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. So on solving these, we will get sin square theta by sin theta minus cos theta into cos theta plus cos square theta by cos theta minus sin theta into sin theta. So sin square theta by sin theta minus cos theta into cos theta minus cos square theta by, here minus had taken out. So sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta. So next sin theta minus cos theta into cos theta into sin theta LCM. Next sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta into sin square theta minus sin theta into cos theta into cos square theta into cos theta. So cos cube theta. So we will get sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. So which is in the form a cube minus b cube. So what is the formula for a cube minus b cube can be written in a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta into cos theta into sin theta. So sin theta minus cos theta gets cancelled. Now what is the remaining? Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta into cos theta by cos theta into sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta into cos theta by cos theta into sin theta. So 1 by cos cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. So secant theta into cosecant theta plus 1 RHS we will get. Hence proved. Coming to fourth one. 1 plus secant A by secant A equals to sin square A by 1 minus cos A. So coming to LHS. 1 plus secant A by secant A, that implies 1 by secant A plus 1, that implies 1 by secant A will be cos A plus 1. So coming to RHS, sin square A by 1 minus cos A. Sin square A can be written 1 minus cos square A by 1 minus cos A. So 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A by 1 minus cos A. So 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A gets cancelled. That implies 1 plus cos A. Thus LHS equals to RHS. Hence we fifth one, cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1 equals to cosecant A plus cot A. Using the identity cosecant square A equals to 1 plus cot square A. So LHS, dividing numerator and denominator of cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1 with sin A. So we are going to divide the numerator and denominator with the sin A. So cos A sin A minus 1. So sin A gets cancelled. We will get minus 1 plus 1 by sin A by cos A plus, cos A by sin A plus 1. Sin A by sin A gets cancelled. So we will get plus 1 minus 1 by sin A equals to cos A by sin A. What is cos A by sin A? Cot A minus 1 plus 1 by sin A will be cosecant A by cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. So next cot A plus cosecant A minus 1 by cot A plus cosecant cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. So that implies cot A plus cosecant A minus, so 1 can be written. So what we got? Cot A minus 1 plus cosecant A by cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. So cot A plus cosecant A minus 1 by cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. That implies cot A plus cosecant A minus 1 can be written, in the in terms of cosecant A and cot A. So cosecant square A minus cot square A by cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. So cot A plus cosecant A minus cosecant A minus cot A. Cot A plus cosecant A. So cosecant square A minus cot square A can be in the form of A square minus B square. So that is written cosecant A minus cot A plus cosecant A. So coming to next step, cot A plus cosecant A, this one will come as it is here, minus 1 minus cosecant A plus cot A. So cosecant A minus cot A plus cosecant A will become 1 minus cosecant A plus cot A by cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. So cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A, 1 minus cosecant A plus cot A gets cancelled. We got cot A plus cosecant A and RHS. Sixth one, root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A equals to secant A plus tan A. So rationalizing the denominator of root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. So rationalization, 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A. So 1 plus sin A whole square, denominator root of 1 minus sin square A, as A minus B into A plus B in the form of A minus B into A plus B. So root of 1 minus sin square A. Again 1 minus sin square A can be written in the form cos square A. So 1 plus sin A by cos A. That implies 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. 1 by cos A will be secant A and sin A by cos A will be tan A. That implies RHS. Hence, we proved. Coming to next one. Sin theta by 2 minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. That implies tan theta. So coming to LHS, sin theta can be taken out. 1 minus 2 sin square theta by cos theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1. So sin theta as it is, it will come. So 1 can be in the numerator, 1 can be written in sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta by cos theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1 can be written sin square theta plus cos square theta. So sin theta, sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta, how much? Only minus sin square theta will come. So minus sin square theta and cos square theta is as it is. Next, denominator cos theta 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta minus cos square theta. So in 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta will become only one single cos square theta minus sin square theta. So now cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta will be gets cancelled. So sin theta by cos theta, that implies tan theta. Hence we proved. Coming to eighth one. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square equals to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So in LHS, sin A plus cosecant A whole square, A plus B whole square. So sin square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 sin A into cosecant A plus cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A secant A. So sin square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 into sin A into cosecant A will become 1. So 1 2 1 2 value will come here. So next cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A into secant A will become 1. So 2 into 1, again one more 2 will come here. So 2 plus 2 sin square A plus cos square A plus cosecant square A plus secant square A. So 2 plus 2 plus sin square A plus cos square A will become 1. Next, cosecant square A can be written 1 plus cot square A. Secant square A can be written 1 plus tan square A. Now 2 plus 2 plus 1 5 plus 1 6, one more 1 7. 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. That implies 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Hence we proved. Coming to last ninth one. Cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A equals to 1 by tan A plus cot A. So coming to LHS, cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A. So cosecant A can be written 1 by sin A minus sin A. Secant A can be written 1 by cos A minus cos A. So 1 minus sin square A by sin A into 1 minus cos square A by cos A. That implies 1 minus sin square A can be written cos square A. 1 minus cos square A can be written sin square A. In the denominator, sin A into cos A. That implies sin A, one sin, what will remain? One sin A and one single cos A will remain. Coming to RHS, 1 by tan A plus cot A equals to 1 by sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A. So 1 by sin square A plus cos square A by sin A into cos A. So sin square A plus cos square A will become 1. So that implies sin A into cos A. So in LHS, what the value we got? Sin A cos A we got. So hence LHS equals to RHS. So LHS, how much we got? Sin A, cos A. And RHS, sin A, cos A. Hence, LHS equals to RHS. Hence, we proved. Coming to 10th question. Last question. So 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A equals to 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square equals to tan square A. First we will take LHS. 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. That implies secant square A by cosecant square A. That implies sin square A by cos square A. That implies tan square A. Next, coming to middle term. Middle term we will take now. 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square. That implies, so 1 minus cot A can be written how 1 minus 1 by tan A. So tan A minus 1, and in the denominator tan A will be, is there no? The tan A will come numerator tan A. So tan A into 1 minus tan A by tan A minus 1 whole square. That implies minus 1 taken out. Now what will come? 1 minus tan A will come whole square. Whole square means minus into minus will become plus. So only tan A will remain. So tan A whole square will become tan square A. Hence RHS will become tan square A. Thus LHS equals to middle term equals to RHS. Hence we proved. So friends, if you like this channel, please subscribe it and make, comment, share and like it. Thank you.